We'll guide you through how to use Calendly for booking appointments. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website, log in with your account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. To create an event, click on the new event type button. You can choose between a one-on-one meeting or a group event. Let's say you're setting up a one-on-one meeting. Select that option and you'll be taken to the event setup page here. You need to fill in the event name, location, and description. You can choose to meet virtually or in person. For a virtual meeting, you could use Zoom or Google Meet. Next, set the event duration by choosing how long you want each appointment to last, like 30 minutes or an hour. After that, set your availability. This is crucial because it dictates when people can book time with you. Click on the availability tab and you can specify your working hours and days. You can also set buffers between appointments if you need a break. Once you've customized the availability, click Next Now. You can adjust your scheduling preferences, such as how far in advance people can book with you, and add any invitee questions they need to answer. When you're satisfied, hit the Save and Close button. Your event type is now ready to be shared. To share the event link with others, go to the events page and click Share. You can copy the link or integrate it directly into your email or website. With your Calendly link shared, others can now book appointments with you based on your specified availability. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.